Hello, I hope you are all doing well. It's been some time since I last posted a new bag video, so here it is. This is my first ever Louis Vuitton bag, the Neverfull. In this video, I will take you through my thought process on why I picked this bag and the pros and cons so far with some mod shots. I'm waiting for my bag insert to arrive, so I will be making a part 2 for this video in the next round to show you what I carry in this bag. Stay tuned if this is your cup of tea. So why did I get this bag? It's because I want a more structured tote that could work for both a casual and formal outing. Before, my go-to tote was the Longchamp Le Pliage, but I found it wasn't the best option when I came to more formal outings. Now with this bag, I can take it with me when I'm traveling, heading into the office, or going out with friends. After using this bag for about a month, I'm disappointed to inform you of 3 cons and 4 pros. First con is the leather piping. Here's a close-up view of the piping. Do you notice it flipping upwards? It's not just here, but also on the other side too. Can someone please tell me if this is normal for this bag? I noticed it on the second day and was very upset. I have always known that these designer bags do not have superior quality to some of the everyday luxury bags out there, but come on, this was quite a shock. And the fact that they used 2 strips of piping instead of 1 all around is also surprising to me. I think I would be much less annoyed if it was just one side that flipped upwards. Anyways, I heard it's possible to go to their store to get it fixed, but again, if I paid this much for a bag, I expect it to be in pristine shape. Second con is the lack of a zipper. I love how much I can fit into it, but the lack of zipper makes it less convenient to carry it around. For this, I purchased a bag insert with a zipper, and it's being delivered to me right now. Once I receive it, I will make another video to show you. Third con may be a subjective one. The shoulder straps are a good length for me, but may be shorter for others who wish the bag to hang lower, especially when wearing thicker pieces of clothing. As for the pros, I first and foremost like how this bag can be used both in a formal and casual setting. It looks great with jeans, but also makes any formal outfit less boring. I do believe this is a formal enough tote for work, but I haven't done so for my 9-to-5 work because I think the monogram print is a little too flashy for my office. However, on the weekends, I teach piano, so I carry sheet music and textbooks with me to my lessons. Another pro is it comes with a small inner pouch which you can remove to use as a clutch or wallet. It's a nice plus. The third pro is the coated canvas is water resistant, making it very durable and worry-free to carry around. And lastly, the weight of the bag is light. In the past, I found I was more hesitant to reach out for bags that were heavy because I am already carrying way too much in them. The million-dollar question now is whether you should get it and if it's worth the price. If you are someone who is looking for a durable tote bag for long-time use and don't really care about designer brands, I would say no. There are a bunch of other tote bags like this that are much more well-made and cost a lot less. For example, this Coach bag that I found from the outlet is about 1/10 of the price of Neverfull. Look at that leather trim. It's not just 2 flimsy, slim sheets of leather. Also, the straps are longer for those of you who want longer straps. If you are into designer bags like me, I recommend this. Mainly it's because it's such an iconic bag and has stood the test of time. Also, compared to the other bags from the same brand, it has a much better value and function for your money. Over the years, the price of the bag has been increasing steadily, so if you plan on purchasing this one, make sure you think through the cons first and buy earlier rather than later. Thank you so much for staying till the end of this video. Let me know in the comments below how you feel about this bag. Remember to subscribe. I'll see you next time.